At the end of a big day, every child deserves a story that helps them feel seen, loved, and heard.
Hi, I'm Gabby. My heart is big. My voice is small, but deep inside, I feel it all.
Gabby Finds Her Voice is a gentle book for children learning that their feelings matter, their words matter, and their voice belongs to them.
My voice is mine, wild and free, and when I speak, I shine as me.
With tender words and magical images, Gabby becomes a nightly reminder of courage, creativity, and belonging.
I'm glad to know whatever comes out, I'm loved and held. I belong, no doubt.
Gabby Finds Her Voice is the kind of book that gets read twice before lights out. Gabby Finds Her Voice by Blair Nichols Chandler. Available now at gabbysvoice.com.